Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcome you all on this channel of Career Edge. So here there is a scholarship from Udacity and you all are waiting for there is any course which is free from Udacity. So this is the course means you can complete a single course, a foundation course of AWS for free, and after that there is a chance to get a free scholarship, a machine learning scholarship from AWS which is participating with Udacity for giving a free resources of machine learning and other. Also you got a free certificates here, and this is going to be a nano degree program which is very special, we can say, on Udacity, which is not present on any other educational platform. So here you can see AWS machine learning scholarship program, advance your career by earning a scholarship for the AWS Machine Learning Engineer Nano Degree Program. You can apply for this, and here apply machine learning techniques and algorithms, including development and AWS production environment. So you all can register for this. There is no prerequisite, as if you are a college student, you can easily apply for this and start learning. And also if you are a professional, you can also register for this. And for getting this type of more videos, because I already made more than 2 videos on Udacity for getting free courses and nano degrees. So if you want getting more type of free courses from Coursera, Udacity and many big platforms, so please subscribe my channel first, and after that here you can see this is how you can go, how this course is going to be. So becoming a machine learning engineer, learn what machine learning is. Firstly, you got a foundation level course which is free for all. You all can get knowledge from that. You can gain in demand skills from that only course. And after that, yeah, if you got selected, because there is only limited persons can be selected for this. So after getting a good rank and getting selected, you got a free nano degree program from Udacity and AWS. In that you can learn many variety of things, just like AWS AI devices, deep plans, deep racer, and different type of activities is going to perform in this AWS course. And also you can prepare yourself as a machine learning engineer by this nano degree. So must apply for this, and also give a special interest for this course so that you can complete it in a time. So how it works? So firstly I am going to show you what is in this nano degree program. Here you can see, firstly you need to apply. I am going to show you all the timeline in the beneath, because this is not very simple to show you. Next thing is, here you can see this is about AWS nano degree program, and this is by AWS employee. So here we are going to show free course info. So there is a free course here. Here, this is the course, and you can start this course for free, and you can complete this and buy. The assignments are there, the quizzes are there in this course, and when you complete this, by evaluating your performance in this course, you got selected for the further AWS machine learning nano degree program in Udacity. So here you can see the AWS machine learning foundations course for free. Register for the AWS machine learning foundations course. 100% applicants, means all who are going to register for this are going to get this AWS machine learning foundations course for free on Udacity. So here, after that, you can hear what you are going to get in this foundation course. You got fundamentals of machine learning, also object oriented programming best practices, and after that you are going to learn about the tools and different type of things which is available on AWS. Means here you can see computer visions with AWS Deep Lens, reinforcement learning with AWS Deep Pressure, and generative AI with AWS Deep Composer. So these are the things, and you need to commit your 3 to 5 hours per week, so you can complete this foundation course and got a free nano degree program scholarship from AWS. And here total 425 seats are there. You can see here total 425 seats are there, and top 425 performers in the foundations course can get this seats. And after that you are going to get this nano degree program, that is called AWS machine learning engineer program, which is available on this Udacity platform. And this is an intermediate nano degree program. Means for getting all the aspects which is going to cover in this nano degree program, you need to complete firstly this foundation course. So you must complete this first course, and after that if you got good marks in that, good you if you perform outstanding, then you got for this AWS machine learning nano degree program, and you can enhance your skills in machine learning as well as cloud computing by this nano degree program. So how this is going to all work, means the various timelines. So this program means for application, the application process of this scholarship is open 2 days before, that is May 26, 2021. And the program means the deadline of this scholarship is, means you can apply before Wednesday, June 23, 2021. The application close this day, and after that the phase 1 opens, means you can start learning AWS machine learning foundations course, which I already introduced to you. That starts you can start learning that course from June 28, 2021. And AWS machine learning course end date, means this is the deadline before that you need to finish that course, so that you got a free nano degree program to get the chance for getting that. And here October 11 is the deadline for this. After that you can see here AWS Machine Learning Engineer Scholarship Program winners announced on October 21. After 10 days of completion of the first AWS Machine Learning Foundation course, and you can start your learning, means the machine learning nano degree program from AWS will be open from October 25, and this is the phase 2, which is only limited for 425 students. And after that you can see here AWS machine learning engineering nano degree program ends on January 25, 2022, means the next year. So you need you got all the timelines, and this is the whole about the process, which follows by the Udacity and AWS Machine Learning Foundations course. And here you can see access to the AWS Machine Learning Foundation course will be available from June 28, 2021 from to October 11, 2021. And this is one more from, and here you can see frequently asked questions. If you have any doubt left after my explanation, you can go through this frequently asked question section and go through all the things which is covered here. I think your all doubts will be covered here. There is eligibility, means 18, if you are more than 18 years, then you only can register for this. This is the only eligibility criteria. And if you want to learn more about this, you can go through the link in the description, which is available in the description. Just tap on this and you got this whole thing about you reach at this platform, and you can start application you can start applying for this nano degree program. So this is the whole about AWS machine learning scholarship program. And if you wants to apply, just go through this, the link in the description. You just go and tap on register now, and you got you apply. The application process is open, and apply for this. This is a very nice chance to get a free nano degree program from Udacity. So this much in this video. Please subscribe my channel for getting this type of videos more and more. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.